Here's a very cool paper dragon from Canon Creative. And if you move his tail and his head goes forward and mouth opens and fire comes out. Isn't that cool? I just love that. This is from a Kamikara kit by Nakamura. This is a little paper zombie. Kind of silly looking, but if you squeeze his belly, his arms go up and there's a skull. It just cracks me up. Yeah, pretty fun. This is a Kamikara cheese box or cheese block from a PDF you can download and cut by hand and assemble. But when you open it, guess what's hiding inside? There's a little mouse, all made out of paper. Isn't that cute? Here's another Kamikara. This looks like a rectangular box, maybe with a cow motif, because it is a cow. You let go and his little head pops out and his tail and his legs come down. That's from a PDF that you can download and cut by hand and then assemble. Pretty clever. And the pièce de résistance is this Kamikara. It's flat, but when you drop it, it pops into a penguin. Oh, it just cracks me up. Let's try that again. Thank you, Stephanie, for turning me on to these. This is from a kit you can buy and assemble. Pretty amazing. No glue. It's all just tabs and slots. All right, let's go. I love it.